guys, welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a simple PowerPoint video using your smartphone. All you need is the app called InShot. All you have to do is go to Play Store and download InShot. This is the icon right here. We're going to click on video, click on new, and once you're here, you have the option of using a blank screen or you can use photos in the background. I'm going to use a blank screen for this demonstration. Click on the green arrow to the right, not the arrow, the green tick to the right of the page. So if you want to extend, so I'm going to call this a scene. So if you want to extend this scene, you can just click on it and press duration. So you can extend it all the way to 10 seconds. Click on the tick once more and there you have a 10-second scene. If you want to remove the watermark, just click on the X where the watermark is and you can remove it for free. The only thing you would be required to do is to watch a video until it ends. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically just put some sentences in. You're going to click on text. So here I have the first sentence, but I want to adjust it in that I don't want it to just appear on the screen. So I'm going to click on the circle at the bottom of the page that is moving up and down, and here you can choose different transitions. Notice you can choose how you want it to enter the screen, and there are so many options here. So once you have chosen a transition, you can go down here and animate the transition. So if you want it to spin, if you want it to do that, so there are different animation tools here. So if you want it to blink, let's leave it on blinking. So if you want it to blink in or out, so you can choose it there. From there you can click on the AA to change the font style. So I'm just clicking on some font styles so you can see what some of them look like. Let's leave it at that one. I can click on the colored circle in order to change the color. So I can change the color up here of my words, and I can change the style of how the words are written at the bottom. So there are various styles available. You can choose what suits you. And if you want the words to be smaller, you can just pinch and bring them in. If you want them to be larger, pinch and bring them out. So you can align these however you want it. So all you have to do is click on the double-sided arrow, so press on it and carry it left to right wherever you want it to be adjusted. If you want to move the words on the screen, just press down on them and move them anywhere. Let it stay right there, so you can click on the lines that are beside the AA, and notice you will get some alignment here and sides. So if you don't want to pinch it and make it bigger, you can always use this tool or this tool to make it longer. You can align it to left, right, or center, although this is not moving. So if you want to make changes is to the words. For example, if you made a mistake, click on the keyboard icon and you can delete and retype. Once you are finished everything, just click on the tick, or as Jamaicans say, sticky. And we need to adjust. So we have been given this page, and these double arrows that are around the sentence means that you can either, so you're going to, if you want to extend the sentence to the full 10 seconds, you're going to hold down on the right arrow and pull it forward until it has extended to where you want it to be. If you want it to start a little bit after the video have started, you can hold down on this end to the left and bring it in. So notice when I play, you won't see the words until it gets to that point. If you need to edit the words, just click on them and press edit. So to shorten, you can always bring it together. To lengthen, bring it out. And there are some options up here that you can duplicate. So instead of typing the word again, you can duplicate. You can delete if you choose to. Once you are finished with the words, just click on the tick. You can change your background. Say you don't want your background to be black, so you can change your background. So you can either add a picture. Let me add a picture to my background. Or you could do a gradient background. So let's do a gradient since we're doing a PowerPoint. So we have a gradient background right here. And we can add a recording or music to this. So let's try to add a recording. Click on music, record. It will tell you when to begin. And once you click on record, once you go to music and click on record, you'll be able to record. So if you want to read the sentence, or you can go to tracks. You can either use one of these tracks here, or you can go to my music if you have a specific track that you want to play. Let me just add this one. So I've successfully added the track, and the track is similar to the words. So once you click on it, you can either edit, where you can turn it up or down. You can go to fade in or fade out. Once you're finished, click on the tick. You can duplicate the track. So for example, if you have a video that is an hour long and you only have a recording that is 2 minutes, you can just duplicate it until it gets to the 1 hour. You can adjust the volume from here as well. Alright, so let's click on the tick. Once you are finished with these areas, you have to click on the tick to exit. So if you want to use a filter, you can do that as well. You have effects, you can adjust, contrast, various things can be adjusted here. So it's basically up to you. I'm going to add another sentence. So in order to add another sentence, I'm going to need to add either another blank screen or a picture. This time I'm going to add a picture. So here I'm going to place text. Click on text again. Look at the boy above. I'm going to bring it smaller. Let's look at our video. Press on the tick. said, you can use different animations within this. So as you can see, you can use this tool to create simple PowerPoint presentations. So if you're on the road and say for example you are a teacher and you want to just create something for your classes that will be fun and simple for them to watch, you can just create a video like this. You can also add a sticker, and with this sticker you get different emojis, or you can add an image from here as well. Let me show you what will happen if I add an emoji. I'm going to click on the tick once more. Let's play this. Notice that it's animated as well. So if you want to go back in to make any changes, you have to click on the specific area that you need to be changed, or else you will only be able to see the timeline. So if you want to change music, click on music. It will show you everything. If you want to change sticker, you click on that, and you can click on the sticker you want to change, make it longer, make it shorter, or delete it if you so please. If you have a part of the video that you don't quite want to cut out, all you have to do is to navigate to that section that you want to cut out by touching the timeline and dragging it to the left or the right. So once you position it, you can click on split. Notice that area will be highlighted. If that is the area you want to delete, you can go ahead and press delete. If any area that you want to delete, you can click on it and delete it. So this is what we have here. After you are finished with your video, all you have to do is click on save, save again, and choose the resolution that you want it in. It will be saved to your gallery, and from there you can upload it to whichever platform you prefer. I hope this helped you to create your simple PowerPoint presentations or your simple videos. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up.